Hey everyone, it's Nick with the Williams Way, and today I want to show you our bamboo greenhouse. Now this is our first time working with bamboo, and it's been a lot of fun, so let's check it out. So this is our DIY bamboo greenhouse. It is 8 feet wide, 30 feet long, and 7 feet high at the center. So far we have used nothing but string to hold it together. So to build the side frame, we've used 6-foot fencing posts that we smashed into the ground, and then we put the bamboo posts on top of it. There's 6 posts, 5-foot gaps, and they're 5.5 feet tall. Now up here, we've wedged out a little bit of a U shape so the bamboo post will sit in there flushly along the whole way, and then we've just used string to attach it. To build the hoop at the top, we've taken a piece of bamboo and we've cut it into quarters, and we've used 2 pieces to make this bend. We found that the smaller the piece is, the more pliable and easy it is to bend. Now for the fun part. It's time to put the poly on the greenhouse. To do this, we've brought in some extra hands to make it go faster. We start by pulling it over the front, trying to avoid catching the poly on the bamboo corners. Then, we proceed to work down the length of the tunnel until it's fully over. Next, we will even out the sides the best we can before securing the poly to the greenhouse. To secure the poly to the greenhouse, we've come in with string and tied a knot at this notch here. And then we just simply cross it over to the second post on the other side, and we just zigzag back and forth until we get to the end. Once we've tied the end off, we come back to the other side here and we repeat the process. This creates like an X over top of the greenhouse and it pulls it tight. To help with drainage and weed control, we decided to build raised garden beds inside the greenhouse. We used treated lumber to build 3-foot by 6-foot beds. This allowed us to maintain a 2-foot walking path in the middle. Thanks for checking out our video today. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below and make sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, I'm Nick, and this is the Williams Way.